Kids tracing books are in huge demand right now, but most creators don't know how easy they are to design. In this video, I'll show you a simple, repeatable method to design professional kids tracing pages step by step. Stay till the end, because I'll also share how you can get this tracing book for free. So let's get started. To begin, set the artboard size. For this project, I'll use a 4 size, which is 8.5 inches by 11 inches. Once the Canva editor opens, rename your document. Now let's start designing the kids tracing book. Go to Elements and select a rectangle. Place it neatly at the top of the page. Remove the fill color and add outline, and then round the corners slightly. Next, I'll add the alphabet letter inside this rectangle. Go to Text, choose Heading, and type the first alphabet. I'm adding both uppercase and lowercase letters and placing them inside the rectangle. This font doesn't look very appealing, so I'll change it. For this text, I'll use the Lolita 1 font style. Now I'll make the text hollow. Go to Effects in the top menu and select the hollow effect. Next, on the right side, I'll add an image for the letter A for apple. Go to Elements, search for apple, choose a clip art, and place it properly inside the rectangle. Now let's create the tracing letters at the bottom. Add a text heading and start typing the alphabet letter from left to right across the page. Right now, the text doesn't look like tracing, so we need to apply a tracing effect. Go to Font, search for KG Primary Font, and select it. As you can see, the text is instantly converted into tracing letters. Now copy and paste the letter across the page and continue it down to the bottom. Our first tracing page is now complete. Next, I'll create the second page. First, I'll change the letter to B. Then, I'll remove the apple image and add B for ball. Go to Elements, search for ball, select the image, and place it properly. I'll also update the tracing letters to B. And with that, our second page is complete. Now let's create the third page. I'll follow the same steps. Change the letter from B to C. Add C for cat. And update the tracing letters. Our third page is also complete. I won't show the process for all pages because the steps are exactly the same. Now let me show you the final tracing book. These are the final pages of the tracing book. This book includes letter pages from A to Z. I've also designed a cover page and a table of contents. In the table of contents, I've added page numbers so it's easy to find each letter. If you want to learn how to design a cover page and table of contents for a tracing book, comment yes below, and I'll create a separate video for that. Now let me tell you about the freebies you've been waiting for. To get this tracing book for free, comment your name and email address, and I'll send the tracing ebook directly to your inbox. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.